Hello everyone, this is Sumit Belsare. I am going to share my project here, and this is given by Skyfi Labs. Okay, so shall we start now? So this is a plan which I had made earlier in ETABS 2016. This was analysis and design of tall building. Okay, by I have taken dead load and live load in that model ETABS 2016. What we have doing in this video, we are making foundation design by observing this plan and by placing the columns as by placing the columns and the footing as per directions given in this plan. Okay, so this is a column detail 6 meter each direction, means in x and y direction this is 6 meter center to center distance between each column. Okay, now moving forward, so this is x direction and this is 18 meter in x and 18 meter in y direction. Okay, so this is the column details, column c1 c2 c3 c4. These are details are obtained from the ETABS 2016. This one is SVC 300 kilonewton allowable settlement. I have calculated subgrade modulus by dividing as SVC by allowable settlement. So it is 3 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay. So column strip. Okay. So column strip is 0.25 L1 or L2, whichever is less we have to take. L1 and L2 is 18 meter. So we have taken 4.5 meter. Since there is no provision for design strip in any IS code, so I shall taken the laser that 4 meter. Okay. Now moving forward, so this is 3 into 10 raised to power 4. This value is 3 into 10 raised to power 4, not minus 4. Okay. Now moving forward, since these are all done in safe software, so open that safe 2016. Okay, I had made the mat foundation here, already made. Okay, already done here. So this was our mat foundation. Okay, what we have done here, we have created grids, the grid lines in x direction and grid lines in y direction. Okay, so the total grids are 19 in x and 19 in y, and in each grid there is a 1 meter of distance. Okay, so this one x in 18 meter and this y in 18 meter. Since we know that the foundation this foundation is having details, so the foundation having details here like the column, this is c1 c2 c3 c4. Okay, so first of all what I have done, I have assigned the material property by going materials here, taking M40 HOSD 500, and then after defining the slab properties by taking mat foundation here of M40 by providing thickness 1200 mm. Okay, and then after column properties by selecting two columns, column 500 and column 600 mm. since we have only since we have only two columns. Okay, 600 by 600 mm means two kinds of variety of columns. Okay, so total we have 16 columns, but only two columns we have properties here, 500 by 500 and 600 by 600. These are the details we can obtain from the ETABS 2016. So dead load, live load, these are the materials. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to make first of all the slab made footing. Then after that we have to draw columns, and the and after that we have to assign the load by this assigning load data. And then we have to also assign the subgrade soil. And I had all created earlier this. Okay, so this is my project assignment given by Skyfi Labs. Okay, now I'm going to run this. Okay, run analysis. So first of all, this was locked. I have unlocked this. After this, we have to run analysis. So this is the displacement. Okay, so these are the displacement values in mm. These are all displacement values. Okay, and then after go to unlock this. Okay, then go run analysis and design. Then it would be design. Okay, and after that go to display, show punching shear. It should be less than 1, since punching shear capacity should have to be less than 1. Okay, since if we don't get less than 1, if it is more than 1, uh, do not worry for that, just increase the thickness of footing and it will be safe in punching shear. Okay, and after this we have to detailing. Okay, so these are the detailing preference. These are the detailing here. Since detailing, since this was locked, so it was unlocked. And after that run detailing, since it is okay. So this is okay. After that analysis and design, go for run detailing. Okay, so the detailing will be display here. Okay, go to drawing component waves, then go to whatever details you can be viewed here. Go for framing plan. This is the framing plan. Okay, these are the drawing sheets, cover sheets, general notes. Okay, these are the slab property, reinforcing bar size. These are the column properties. You can have the column properties here. So all data can be obtained by run the detailing. Okay. Some bill of quantities. Okay, so bar size here given is the weight, the length is all given here. This is the rebar. This is the rebar schedule. Okay, this is the rebar table. This one is a framing plan. Okay, this is the general notes, rebar shapes. Whatever data you want, it will show. This is the rebar plan. Okay, which bar having spacing, which bar we are using. So this is my final project submission here of final design of. Okay, so this is the foundation design.